The idea of expanding our farm and putting it in a more appropriate environment started way back in 2025. That was around October, and we've been actualizing this idea. And we were supposed to launch this farm in June this year, but things ain't looking exactly as we planned. For example, look around here. We literally just cleared the entire place. See, we need to do a re-clearing again. And this all is posing a very huge challenge for us because we can't launch a project in this bush. Plus, we're having another big challenge of electricity. Can you imagine? This place has been without power for over 2 weeks, and it's in Uganda, guys. So we are so worried that we can't really launch a project without power. How can we brood chicks without power? So that means we really had to dig into our pockets and kind of salvage the situation. We need an alternative power source. So today we are on the farm and we are working on installing solar on our farm, because we thought of a generator as our backup plan, and we thought, I don't know, it could be a little inconveniencing because by now we will have received the chicks, but we had to postpone because there was no power. It's crazy, guys. Something needs to be done. Otherwise, it's really affecting us farmers. By any chance, if I settle in here and the power isn't back yet, I think I'll have to visit the offices because it's crazy. Like an entire village goes on for weeks without power. So what we have installed up there is solar, and our plan is to have a solar system that actually aligns with what is already on site. And you remember we installed electricity or hydropower on this farm, which is not proving useful right now. So we have Muyomba is there. He's been with us an entire day together with the engineer. So we did some research and we finally landed on a good company that distributed us with a solar system. So Muyomba's job today was to make sure that whatever the other engineer was working actually aligns with what he installed days ago. So we try to get something which is powerful, and we believe it will work for us the entire time when we are on the farm. We wanted a system which is going to act as a backup, not as the main source of power, but as just a backup. And I think we got the right. So the installation is already complete. One thing I realized is that in Uganda we do not actually have, we only have distributors. All the companies that are dealing in solar, they're all distributing companies. So you want to deal with legit distributors, people who are repeatable, and that's exactly what we went for. And we went for something that will work for us. We needed something. For example, during the day we are okay, we are good. We have enough light in our poultry structure, but at night we needed a battery system that will take us through the entire night, because the birds have to eat, especially in the initial days, the first 2 weeks of their lives. They have to eat throughout the entire night. So we had to go for something that will power us throughout the night. Let me show you how much work we have to do before we even launch our project. So we're having a lot of work to do around. The grass is all grown. Look over there. It's like we never cleared here. With this constant rain, we need to do landscaping as quickly as we can, because we can't keep clearing this place every single day. The other good news we have is that we secured a worker. The worker will be on the farm anytime soon. I think in the next episode, you'll meet our farm worker. Yes, and you'll be telling us the details about themselves. So it's just a lot. Just when you think that you are actually at the end, at the end of the struggle, then you are faced with other challenges. It's quite tricky. It's quite tricky. So the other thing that we have to work on, we have to disinfect. We have to do the disinfection because it's a brand new place. So we need to do some disinfection around the entire house and then within the chicken house, and then we put up a brooder, and then yes. But I want to do all that, the brooder preparation, the disinfecting, when the farm worker is on the farm, and we are expecting him to arrive here maybe tomorrow, inshallah. If nothing changes, then they'll be on the farm by tomorrow, inshallah.